If you don't like dull photos but still post them, then it's time to learn how to enhance them. In today's world, first impressions matter more than ever. High-quality images can make all the difference, whether you're capturing memories or building your brand. Photo enhancement is like a magic wand for your pictures. It sharpens details, boosts colors, and makes your photos pop with vibrancy. Imagine your wedding photos looking more beautiful, real estate images more inviting, and product shots more appealing to customers. Enhanced photos don't just capture moments, they tell compelling stories. On social media, enhanced photos can increase engagement, attract more followers, and make your posts unforgettable. More likes, more comments, more buzz. For businesses, professional photo enhancement can mean higher sales and happier customers. Your products will shine, and your reviews will reflect it. So why settle for ordinary? Unlock the full potential of your photos with professional enhancement. Your images deserve to shine. Enhance your photos today. Visit image2vectorgraphicsindia.com to learn